Looking at my calendar, I see that today is Friday, February 26th. Because if yesterday was the 25th, then today must be the 26th. If I wrote out today's date, I would write that today is February 26th, 2021. Or I could abbreviate it and write that it is 02-26-21. 2 representing the second month of the year, which is February. 26 representing the 26th day of the month. And 21 representing our year 2021. Today is the 106th day of school. Even if it is a virtual or an asynchronous day, it's still a day of learning. Or we could say that today is day number 106. If I look in the 100s place, if I look in the hundreds place, I have a digit of 1, representing 100. If I look in the tens place, I still have a digit of 0. So I'm just going to build my 0 in. And if I look in the ones place, I have a digit of 6. So I'm going to grab 6 ones to represent my digit of 6 and 106. Looking at the patterns on our hundreds chart, if I look at the number 106, I'm going to look at the digit that's in the ones place. Well, I saw that before. Every time we had a digit of 6 in the ones place, we put a green circle that represents that we are skip counting by 2s. So once again, I'm going to put a green circle over the 106. So that this follows my pattern, showing that whenever I end up with a digit of 2, 4, or 6 in the ones place, then it shows that I can skip count by 2s evenly, or that that number is divisible by 2.